Today, we have an exciting and potentially life-changing topic to discuss: how to get rich with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have been making waves in the financial world, and many have seen substantial gains. If you've been wondering how to navigate this lucrative yet volatile market, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to set yourself on the path to financial success through cryptocurrency investments. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature eliminates the need for a central authority like a bank, making transactions more transparent and resistant to manipulation. Beyond Bitcoin, various altcoins have emerged, each with its unique features and purposes. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Ripple, on the other hand, focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost international money transfers. The diversity of cryptocurrencies highlights the versatility of blockchain technology and its potential applications beyond a mere medium of exchange. Explaining blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a revolutionary concept that goes beyond its application in cryptocurrencies. At its core, a blockchain is a chain of blocks where each block contains a list of transactions. These transactions are verified and linked using cryptographic hashes, creating a secure and tamper-resistant chain. One key feature of blockchain is decentralization. Traditional databases rely on a central authority to validate and record transactions, making them vulnerable to hacking or manipulation. In contrast, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network, where multiple nodes work together to validate transactions. This decentralized nature enhances security, as altering one block requires changing all subsequent blocks across the network, making it practically impossible to manipulate the entire chain. Research and education. In the realm of cryptocurrency, the importance of continuous research and education cannot be overstated. As the landscape evolves rapidly, staying informed is not just an advantage but a prerequisite for success. Beyond the fundamentals, diving into the intricate details of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and decentralized finance (DeFi) is crucial. These aspects form the backbone of many cryptocurrencies and can significantly impact their value. Research should extend beyond just theoretical knowledge. Practical experience through simulated trading or using small amounts of capital can provide valuable insights. Understanding the dynamics of trading platforms, wallet security, and the risks associated with different investment strategies is vital. Learning from both successes and failures in the cryptocurrency market can contribute significantly to one's education. Before investing, research the projects you're interested in. What problems do they aim to solve? Who is behind the project? What's their track record? Being well-informed reduces the risks associated with investing in a particular cryptocurrency. Building a diverse portfolio. Diversification in building a cryptocurrency portfolio involves strategically spreading investments across various assets to mitigate risks associated with market volatility and potential fluctuations in individual assets. A well-diversified portfolio can enhance the overall stability and resilience of an investment strategy. In addition to diversifying across different types of cryptocurrencies, investors should also explore various sectors within the blockchain and crypto space. For instance, allocating a portion of the portfolio to decentralized finance, DeFi tokens, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or projects focused on specific use cases like supply chain management or identity verification can provide exposure to different areas of innovation within the blockchain ecosystem. It's crucial to consider the market capitalization, liquidity, and underlying technology of each asset in the portfolio. This careful evaluation can help investors make informed decisions based on the specific characteristics and potential growth trajectories of each cryptocurrency. Risk management. Diversification is a fundamental aspect of risk management in cryptocurrency investments. Allocating your funds across different types of cryptocurrencies can help mitigate the impact of a poor-performing asset on your overall portfolio. This strategy helps spread the risk and prevents your entire investment from being heavily dependent on the success or failure of a single cryptocurrency. Regularly reassessing and rebalancing your portfolio is essential to adapt to the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. Market conditions, regulatory developments, and technological advancements can influence the value of different cryptocurrencies. Staying informed and adjusting your portfolio accordingly ensures that you are well-positioned to navigate changing market dynamics. In addition to diversification, setting stop-loss orders can be an effective risk management tool. These orders automatically sell a cryptocurrency when its price falls to a predetermined level, limiting potential losses. Implementing stop-loss orders helps you stick to your risk tolerance and prevents emotional decision-making during market fluctuations. Timing your investments. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, mastering the art of timing is crucial for successful investing. The market's inherent dynamism is characterized by cycles of bullish upswings and bearish downturns, each presenting unique opportunities and challenges for investors. Recognizing and navigating these market cycles requires a keen understanding of the factors that drive them. Bull markets, characterized by rising asset prices, often entice investors with a promise of substantial gains. During these phases, it becomes imperative to assess the market sentiment, evaluate fundamental factors, and employ technical analysis tools to identify potential entry and exit points. Timing your investments strategically in a bullish market can amplify returns and mitigate risks. Conversely, bear markets pose a different set of challenges. Recognizing the signs of an impending downturn and having the discipline to cut losses or even short positions is vital for preserving capital. Successful investors understand that bear markets offer unique opportunities for accumulating assets at lower prices, setting the stage for future gains when market sentiment inevitably reverses. Passive income strategies. In addition to capital appreciation, many cryptocurrencies offer opportunities for passive income. Let's explore some strategies to make your money work for you. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you receive additional tokens as a reward. It's a way to earn interest on your holdings. Mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain, and miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency coins. While it's more resource-intensive, mining can be a lucrative source of passive income. Stay informed and adapt. The cryptocurrency space is dynamic with constant changes and innovations. Staying informed and adapting to the evolving landscape is crucial for long-term success. In the ever-evolving realm of cryptocurrency, the need to stay informed and adapt remains paramount for individuals and businesses alike. As technology continues to advance, new cryptocurrencies emerge and regulatory landscapes shift. Those involved in the crypto space must remain vigilant to navigate the changes effectively. One key aspect of staying informed is keeping abreast of technological developments. Blockchain, the underlying technology of most cryptocurrencies, is continually evolving. Innovations such as smart contracts, Layer 2 solutions, and consensus mechanisms contribute to the growth and efficiency of blockchain networks. Staying up to date on these advancements enables participants to leverage new tools and features, enhancing their overall engagement with the crypto ecosystem. A comprehensive guide on how to get rich with cryptocurrency. Remember, while the potential for wealth creation is significant, so are the risks. It's essential to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution, diligence, and a long-term mindset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and happy investing.